Listen, most people work a job, right? And they allow that job to pay them a little bit of money for a lot of their time, right? You know, you have jobs that you work, you know, sometimes people work 40, 50 hours, you know, a week. Some people work jobs where they put in more than 50 hours. I mean, I've done 70 hours a week before and wasn't supposed to report it. But my point is, people do jobs and they work a lot of hours and they put in a lot of time for a little bit of money. But when it comes to talking about business and having your own side hustle so that you can put in a lot of time for you and create a lot of money in the long term, people just don't want to do that. And so I wanted to make this video, and I'm going to make more videos talking about this because I want to encourage those of you to start investing in you and stop putting everything into that company and the job that you work for. Invest more in you and your family's future and legacy.